Oh my goodness, this is exciting. These are Veronica beard fabrics, and these are linens. And some are woven, some are stretched, and they're all $19.99. And I'm just so excited. This is a beautiful kind of a melon color, like a watermelon. It's very pretty. It is a true woven. It is 100% linen, and it's lovely. It's absolutely lovely. Light enough for a blouse. Could be pants. You can't see through it, so it could be, and there's so many things you could do with this, but it's a beautiful color, beautiful fabric. This, I was so excited to get this fabric because it is a, cream. It's like a milk color, but look, you cannot see one bit through it. It's 100%, no, it's not linen. It's a linen viscose. It's not 100% linen. I meant to say it's a linen viscose, and it's really, really beautiful. So it's going to have a little less wrinkling, a little more drape. Gorgeous fabric, just really beautiful. It's 100% linen. Love this color. It's kind of like it's an olive green, like a real light olive green. Again, just really beautiful piece of fabric. Great drape. This goes back. It's the same as the cream color. This is a light pink. And this is a linen viscose. There's more linen than viscose. The tag was on this fabric, so it's a linen viscose. And again, the viscose combination gives it less wrinkling and better drape. I think they all drape beautifully, so I don't know the difference. This is a viscose poly. This is not a linen. This got a little bit of poly in it. I put this in because the color is so beautiful with this ribbing. It has stretch in both directions. It's a stretch woven, but again, look at the quality of these fabrics where they're light, but yet not, you can't see through them, and the drape is incredible on all of them. They're just so beautiful. $19.99, you guys. And then I put this with it because I love these together. They're not the same color. They're the same tone, and they're just really beautiful together. This is a ribbing. It's 100% viscose. It has stretch in both directions. It's a mid-tone, kind of in the purples. It's so pretty, just so pretty. Anyway, today, $19.99. You guys, you have to have happy sewing with this. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.